sifike la sifika khona. Uyabona mzala ngingacocela istory right now, but ngeke sonke sisizwe the same leso story. Khona abantu abazokhuluma ukuthi iqiniso, khona abanye abazothi amanga. But there's abantu besifazane that would stand bold mzala. And mzala ngibe like abantu besifazane abathandani mzala.
Yilaba ebadefende ama-rapist before. Yikho ngithi nje bayinto eyi-one.
Abantu besifazane mzala abathandani mzala. Like khona abantu abazalile mzala ne. Uyabona mzala khona izinto esingazikhuluma sisesayidini masihleba mzala. Sibe like hey ayi mama kaCoco ngathi namanga man. Uhleba nomuntu wakho. Hayi uneqiniso mina. Hayi uneqiniso si2 siyahleba. Kukhona izinto ongazizwa ngomuntu wakho, umuntu wakho mongazizwa azisho ngawe kwabanye abantu ngeke usijabulele. Nawe khona izinto ongazikhuluma engeke uthanda ukuthi azizwe and uyazi ukuthi nimangazizwa unokuhleba nekhazini yakho, unokuhleba nomuntu wakho uthi esayidini mzala. Iyazwakala mzala. Mzala on a public space mzala. Let's say kusasa mzala. Icase iyachitheka bese baveze iqiniso lese bathi umama kaCoco uyawina icase. Yazi ukuthi khona izinto ezikuphumile mzala engeke zisakhona ukuthi ukubuyiselwe emuva ezishiwa abantu.
Wow.
Zikhona izinto ezishiwa abantu besifazane engeke bakhona ukuthi bazibuyisele emuva mzala. Uyabona amanye ama situations mzala angeke wena uyizwe impact yakhona until iyenzakala emntaneni wakho or emndenini wakho or someone close to you. Yazi mzala before I used to like mabashaya umuntu umphakathi ngimzwela isono mzala. Mzala there is people abangena endlini ba rape umntana omncane, ba rape umuntu omdala, ba rape everyone, ba rape nendoda just to make him feel less of a man. Babashiye banjalo bangababulale bahambe and walk away with it. Abantu baphile ne trauma. Then kusasa loyo muntu loyo grape. Sorry. Kusasa loyo muntu loyo mabamtholile bamkapha. Khona zothi yo asimcoleleni. So mina all I can say ukuthi wena mbukeli ever since umamele istory sethu nomama kaCoco njengoba bekazela ekhaya, I said mina Dimamzo I'm not helping her for a rape case or for ama courts for in. I donation esiyenza esiyenzela uCoco mzala. Mention ngathi guys ngicela please ungadonate mawungafuni, inhliziyo yakho mele ivume ukuthi donate.
Yes.
Bafethu iF1 bafethu abaka report live, so ngicela ningayenzi iF1. So we donated kumama kaCoco because we space donatela uCoco as much as singa donatela any other person like I. Bafethu if you feel ukuthi udonatela umama kaCoco usikenyiwe, ngicela ukhulumeni manje sikusendele 50 rand yakho back, so bona ukuthi sihlanganisa kanjani.
And thina esidonatile as complain khonkotha laba bangadonatanga bangakhiphanga nesent.
Ubani omunye la epanelini bafethi panel la lethu la ekhaya kuhlobiswa mangaba ukhulumi senze isiguruguru, mangaba ukhulumi uyayehla, so sihleli nawe kanti uyi monitoring spirit, so ayikhale Mr. President.
Sawubona bhuti kunjani?
Hallelujah.
Igama uXolani Madiba. Ngize ngokukhala mina elifini.
Ukhalelana?
Ngibingelele kubo mama abakhona ku panel ngabani champi.
Okay.
But I'm running an NPO. Ngisebenzela umphakathi. I-organization yethu since registered 2018. Those abafuna ukuyi-check-a they can just go ubabhale Mfulo South Youth Forum bazokhona ukubona ukuthi we are registered.
Go straight to
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. People are demanding their money from Upiwe we content creator abe TikTok alidumeka kakhulu lapha ku TikTok. Uyatiwa nje nangokuthi usita abantu uyenda ama live site abantu abadonatela solve inkinga tebantu nje. If you are a fan of TikTok, you definitely know who Piwe is. So Piwe Gawabane live with Qoqwe's mom, whereby they were talking about Lenza Baya Qoqwe. So waqela abantu ukuthi abadonate I think imali abadonate yafika kuma 60k. Yeah, I think it was 60k, but uthatha a certain percent from that money. Ngathi wathatha 10,000 anikede labaswele, then mqoqwe kwaniketwa 50 something k. 50k ngasho njalo. Okay, fine. So balbaningi they are now saying ukuthi since badonatele maqoqwe nestory sakhe azivakali, people feel ukuthi baqoliwe, uyakubona baqoliwe kusho ukuthi kahle maqoqwe was using them to get imali sabathi sola why they actually donated for umaqoqwe. So uthi phiwa kafundi inkinga yena. If you feel like you were qoliwe, he was scammed by Qweqwe, please come forward, or please come forward bakunike 50 rand wakho. I'm not sure ukuthi bekhishwa bo 50 rand or bekhishwa bo malini, but bathi ungakhulumeli ematinyeni, ungakhulumeli lena sekuvakala tenza amahemhem ukuthi uphiwe awusebenzisana namaqoqwe. If you guys are saying ukuthi nifuna temali tenu, ubuyani utokhona ukuthi abone ukuthi uhlanganisa njani nebhadalo, because now uthi uyaweva amahebede ukuthi there are people who are saying ukuthi maqoqwe udla imali yabo. Hey, maqoqwe bekafuna imali, hey, maqoqwe bekafuna ama donations. Mind you, maqoqwe didn't ask for my donations. People donated out of the goodness of their hearts. Out of the goodness of their hearts, just because Upiwe said ukuthi if you want to donate you can donate, but uthakafuna inkinga ukuthi kuthiwe usebenzisana namaqoqwe, and that's why aqele ukuthi bamdonatele. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Do you think what people are doing to Upiwe is fair? Mina nawe siyibona nakulenyana inshallah video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.